guys, so this is where we left it off. So if you guys are liking the way these videos are made, nice, short, precise, not too much, I want us to build up slowly, gradually on everything. So, and most definitely I might move a bit faster on when we get to express and everything, because now you should be comfortable. But if you guys are liking these videos, please like, share and subscribe. So now we've passed out this URL, and then we have the path name that the user requested for. However, right now what we want to do is we want to get the request method that this user is sending back to us. There's a post request, there's a get request. So now the good thing is, let's say a request method. So the good thing is the request method is directly in the request callback. So say request dot method, right? And then now that if we log, okay, let's just do this. If we say response let's send back an object. We say method, and then we pass out the request method, and then we say path, and then we give back the requested path, right? So we're gonna be sending what this user requested, right? And so we can kill that, start that node server, we kill that, and then we say kill. And then why am I getting that? Okay, let's see. Oh, because I'm sending back that, let's say JSON dot stringify that. Hopefully that is the problem. I think that is the problem. But then if that was not the solution, we'll just hold on a bit on this. So there we go. So we just needed to stringify this. So as you can see, we have the method, and the method is get. We have the path, and the path is test, right? So now this is how we get, or we extract the method which this user was trying to use in our API. And like I said, keeping these videos like short and sweet. If you guys like the way this thing is structured, please like, share and subscribe, and hoping to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.